everybody, good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on the Market Show. So today I'm bringing for you a very beautiful platform that you're going to use and make extra $500 in a month. If you want to make more than $500, it is very possible. So we are going to look at this fantastic app that you can use on your mobile phones. There are various advantages and benefits why I'm bringing it to you on this 1st of May or this 1st of August or beyond August, depending on the time you're going to be watching this video. The first thing why it is very good, it can be used everywhere. It has no any location limit, so it is universal. Then the second thing, you can have your own schedule. You'll sit and say, I'm going to use it from home or I'm going to use at any time. So you can have your own schedule. You can determine when do you want to work or when you don't want to work. Then the third thing why it is so much accessible, in a sense that the work that you're supposed to do, all the tasks are within you or around you, so they are for your favorite brands and they are very familiar. Then the third advantage of this app is that you can access your money in 24 hours or immediately. This is the first app or the first mission tasks that have come across that you can get money and immediately you get your own money. Then the last but not least about the benefits, this one has no threshold as in terms of payments. Other apps we always get, they have quotes. You have to have $100 or $1, you have to have $10 or whatever. But this one, every money that you work, and if it is approved and you're good to go, the money is deposited into your account immediately. It uses only one way of payments, and this one is called PayPal. Without PayPal, please go ahead and open your PayPal account such that you can connect it with it. So in this video, we're going to be looking at what exactly is Gigwalk as a fantastic app I told you. 2, we're going to look at how can you apply for it, and 3, how can you do the tasks, and the last one we're going to be looking at how can you withdraw your money. As I told you guys, this is Gigwalk. Gigwalk is one of the app that put there that other people can come in and start working wherever they are. This is a reminder and a disclaimer. You people, Gigwalk does not recruit from any platform like WhatsApp or sending you emails or any social media platform. It recruits directly from its platform, from the app. So you can use your phone, only the phones, and take photos, do the tasks, test apps. These are the 3 things that you can do from them. How do you take photos? You go to the retailers whereby you're going to get those gigs, the tasks you got. Depending on whether you have been asked to be seeing it after registration. When you're asked to do something, you go to retailers, you take photos. You can use your mobile phones as long as it has a high resolution. You take phones and you follow the prompts, you follow the messages, you fill in and send and make the bags. You go ahead also, you do the task. They give you the tasks, and these tasks are given differently. They're also in retail shops. Like for example, they can task you to go and do this or test this. Whenever you're given a task, it means you are going to make that money. So that is the simple background of this Gigwalk. But before we talk deep, let's appreciate every Immaculate Shop person who has been there, and happy new month. For the new people, you're most welcome. This is Christine once again. For us on Immaculate Show, we discuss mainly on how to make money within our reach without investing anything. But when we talk about within our reach, we don't mean that you'll sit down and see money coming. No, first you have to focus, second you have to be persistent, and you have to be consistent. You have to set your goals and say, how much do I want to make? Every gig, every app that we bring here, it makes money. Like this one has been rated more than 4.4 on this pirate. It has been there. It is being supported by very many. Let me show you what it is being supported by very many companies like Detroit, very many retail companies, very many hospitalities. So if you're there, they have consumer brands, they have website and mobile apps that they do test, they have consulting and market research, they have, like, for example, Fitori, Whirlpool, Sonoso, SAP, they have Unilever, YP, Red Bull, Deloitte, P-Visa, they have Reckitt, Ringley, Frito. These are all the companies that have entrusted Gigwalk, and they've been working with Gigwalks for a long time. So with their support, and this one can show you that it is a legit and it is very good. So the main aim is to accomplish one thing, to change the work and make work being done. It's not about recruiting surveyors, it's not about recruiting research assistant, but when it reaches to Gigwalks, you can work from wherever you are. So let's dive in and see exactly how does it work and how do you access it. When you go to your mobile phone or any mobile phone, is it an Android or it is an iPhone, what you do, go and put there gigwalk.com. When you put gigwalk.com, a search interface will come, and this interface, you need very few things for you to get started. You need to upload this phone. I mean you need to go to your browser, then if at all you can go to your Play Store or App Store. The moment you go to your App Store, you go direct and download it. For you to download it, after download it, you do registration. You can see how I did my registration. When you download it like this, you register. After registration, you link your PayPal account to this and start get paid, because they use only PayPal. From there, you go and find and complete surveys plus other things that are within your area. How do you download this app? This app is easy to be downloaded. It is on either Android or it is on App Store. You know how to download it. Just visit one of them. How do you do a registration? Registration is very simple. It takes very short time. What they need you to do, they need you to only answer a few basic questions and provide your email. Immediately you're there. Then how do you link your PayPal? If you don't have your don't have your PayPal, you can go and do it. It is very easy. If you want to know how to do to make your PayPal, write it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. All payments are made through PayPal, and your PayPal email, you have to put your PayPal email to your Gigwalk account in order for the app to be set up. Then how do you find the work to do? How do you find these gigs to do? What you do, you apply. When you apply for gigs through the map, the moment you do registration, you're going to find a map popping up. That map popping up, it will be showing you where the gigs are. Or if you don't get it, like me, at the first time I did not get a map. I got the map, but I could not get where the gigs are. So what you do, you go and click on the gig list. When you click on the gig list, it will be showing you exactly where the work, where the tasks are. After being accepted, you follow the instructions, follow the prompts of what it is talking about, then you submit your work directly. What exactly do? You go to where the map has directed you or where the gigs are. You key in, go and do what they have told you. If they have told you to go and take photos, you can take photos. When you take photos, you submit. Let the photos be very clear. Let the photos be very of high resolution. Use some good smartphone. It is very easy. What is good about this Gigwalks? Gigwalks is very flexible, that for you can make enough money or extra money. The only thing that I want to put here as a disclaimer, sometimes or most of the time the tasks are completed so fast. That is where the only limitation is, because whoever finishes to watch the video like this runs there. It is very simple to do these tasks, runs there and make them. But most of the time, of course, where I stay is not where you stay. Where your friends stay is, the world is so big. So whenever the gigs are finished, you can wait and come back and continue. What do I advise you for you to make good money out of Gigwalks? You need to complete your tasks in time or else. 2, you need to follow the prompts of what they ask you. 3, please keep checking your app for you to get the gigs such that you can make more than $500. What do you expect with this Gigwalk? With Gigwalks, there are a lot of tasks, but the tasks go from $3 to $100. So imagine, let us say we're not going to say you're going to work $100. Let us say you're making something like $25 per day. If you make $25 per day, you're going to go even beyond $500. So can we again recap and resample this Gigwalk thing? For this Gigwalk thing, how to join it, you have to go and download this app. It is simple and so fast. When you download this app, you go and do registration. When you finish doing registration, you link your account. You finish linking your account, you go and ask for Gigwalk. The Gigwalk, they can give you a map of them, you'll see them, or you can go to the gig list, you're going to get it. Then how do you know that my tasks are completed? When they approve it, they are going to send you a notification, and at the same time you're going to also to get you'll know that I've completed the task. And the moment you've completed the task, we come to the point of how will I get paid. You'll get paid immediately. They will wire your money immediately. This is quite different. So earning $500 a month on Gigwalk is definitely achievable, but it requires consistency, like the way I told you. Here are a few tips. Let me recap for you the few tips to help you reach that goal. 1, be active. Regularly check the app for new gigs. This is what I told you. Gigs can get snatched up quickly? Yes. So being proactive will give you an edge. Expand your radius. When we talk about expanding radius, if you're within Sharjah, you're within maybe Deira, Dubai, can you extend and put Internet City? Can you extend and put Banias? Depending on where you'll be. So don't be comfortable from that small place where you are. If you're willing to travel a bit, you can find more gigs in your neighboring areas. So you guys always target higher paying gigs. Some gigs pay more than others, so don't pay for the lower one. Don't target the lower ones. When you target the higher ones, you are going to get even more than $500. Look for those that offer high payouts, especially if they don't require a lot of time to complete gigs efficiently. If when you complete your gig efficiently, it means the next time it gives you a very good and high reputation rating as far as the app is concerned, and this will help you to be given more gigs in future, making it more likely that you will be approved for higher paying gigs in future. So guys, as we talked about cashing out your earnings is simple. Once your gig has been approved, the payment will be sent directly to your PayPal account, and from there your PayPal account, you can connect it to your bank account. Depending on your PayPal settings, you can either keep the money in your PayPal balance or you transfer to your bank. To see your earnings, just go to the payment section of this app. As you can see there, you can cash out at any time, and the minimum of this really is not there. This is where it's beautiful. It has no threshold, so please, it's a very great gig that you can do it. As we end, you guys, and there you have it. With Gigwalk, you can easily make extra $500 a month completing simple tasks in your area. It is flexible. You can do it on your own schedule, and it is a great honor and a great way to earn some extra income. If you find this video helpful, guys, please go down and give us a comment, give us a like. Don't forget to put